Everybody, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, here to talk to you about the Enthusiast auction coming up and some of the wonderful pre-war American classics that we have that you might like, as I do. This is a 1937 Cord 812 convertible coupe, or Sportsman as we call it affectionately. And this car has a fascinating history, was exported as a lot of cars were at the Auburn Automobile Company back in the 30s to South Africa, which allowed us to keep track of its history. Eventually found its way back to a good friend of ours, especially here in Auburn, Dr. Fay Culbreth in North Carolina, before going through a couple other owners until now being offered here at the sale. And what's great about the car is not just that it's been restored and maintained, but that it is originally equipped with the supercharged engine. So it's one of the 64 real Sportsmans, if you will. And that puts it obviously in a small class. So for those of you that have been interested or perhaps had your eye on some Sportsmans over the years, it's a neat opportunity, wonderful color combination, and car that you can get out, use, show, or enjoy however you want. So get registered to bid, and we'll look forward to seeing you right here in Auburn, Indiana at the auction.